was lovely. Normally I go to museums in the world that are managed by government agencies or people who have collections in the U.S. I haven't been to many in India. I've only been to maybe 2 or 3 in India, but I thought it was a very interesting collection. It's kind of one of those things you go from one spot to the other and you say, oh, that's nice. I liked the antique things, the things that are really old, because the things that are more modern, some of them I used, so it makes me feel old, like I should be behind the glass. But it was very enjoyable. It was well set up. Most of the labels are also in English, which helps me because I speak no Hindi, so very helpful. And I enjoyed it. Thank you for having me.
Yes.